Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to take the bumper, fender, and fender liner off of a 2012 Prius C. First up, we've got a couple retaining clips along the front here that just kind of are going to pop out. Alright, so we've got two rows of bolts here. The first one just holds this bottom guard on. That'll stay attached to the bumper. I'm going to leave that on until I get the bumper fully off. And the second layer is there's a couple bolts here that actually hold the bumper to the frame. So we got one here, one that's broken off here, and some more down there. It looks like two of these use a different type of bolt. I'm not sure if that's on purpose. I'm gonna just keep them aligned over here on the floor so I know which ones were which. And that feels like it's it, because this bumper already feels like it wants to pop off. All right, so this bumper's already pretty loose and this side's already broken off. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bottom lights clips out here so that those don't get ripped off when I try to take this off. Go. And we've actually got two more, I'm sorry. There's another bolt here. Where the fender liner is, there's a bolt right over here on the side. Alright, we're just gonna pop this off. And so I can just reach right down in here and get this other light off. Next up we have the fender. So we have to take out the headlight screw and this one screw behind it, and then we'll have a couple screws in the bottom to take out. So we have one under here. One right here. So for this side clip, it was push in motion. As you can see, there's a some sort of plastic clip here. It has to slide across. And now it should just be a pull out motion once it's past that piece. And then there's going to be two bolts under here. Alright, it looks like most of the bolts are out. We just have to get this piece off so that we can take the fender the rest of the way off. And there's one more bolt under here. Alright, when I ended up actually trying to remove it, it turns out this one fender bolt is also holding it in. So go ahead and just unbolt all of the additional stuff that you need to transfer over. I'm going to take all these out. Bolt here. Other blinkers out, other blinker. I already popped this middle piece out. They all just kind of clip in and out. I just kind of transfer all these things over, and then you'll be good to go on putting the new bumper back on. Fender also has a couple things you have to transfer. There's a little clip here, and a little clip right here. As well as you got to take this off. I used a paint scraper for that. So I'm going to go ahead and take the headlight off so that I can put the fender on easier. Alright, so next up I'm going to slide this fender liner in. So I'm using the other side as reference because this didn't previously have one. So it looks like the first three here are supposed to be on the outside of the car. The rest are supposed to be inside like this. And in order to do this part, I've bought a set of snaps. So it looks like the best ones to use in the set I bought are these ones labeled BO2. For the first two holes that seems to be the case. It looks like they get slightly tighter as we go up here. All right, so I've got the fender liner back in here. So the rest of it has to attach to the bumper, which I'm gonna go ahead and get started on again now. Once you get the bumper snap back on, it's a good time to plug your blinkers back in. Once you put the fender liner in, it's going to be much harder. Alright, so it works a lot better if you do the top first here. Work your way down. There we go. Alright, and so that's mostly it. It's just a matter of putting those bolts back in the bottom under here. Alright, pretty much done with the bottom here. Got all the screws back in throughout the bottom. Alright, and that's it.